Hello from the Whitsundays. We are on Mole Island in the middle of the Whitsundays. We just took the jet ski across from Airlie Beach to Mole Island. A lot of fun, probably pretty dumb. The wind just picked up and we were just getting smashed. But we're here, a little worse for wear, and ready to explore.
We just drove across from Airlie Beach on the ski and it was so rough, but we managed to find a nice little corner here. It's all beautiful and calm. We found this resort that's been abandoned. Apparently there was a really bad cyclone in 2017 and this place just got torn to shreds and they've just left it. It's pretty nuts. We're gonna go check it out so we can see. So apparently it's restricted and there's like cameras and alarms and stuff, so we won't go in there.
Not ready to do illegal activities.
Still pretty cool though.
Insane to think like the level of destruction.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Nature can be pretty hectic.
And it's such a beautiful, calm day now. So best purchase, these little bad boys. Reef shoes. Hello.
You want to see how not to skip a rock? Attempt to catch a fish by hand.
It's a dare, you gotta.
She stalks her prey skillfully, quietly. Predator.
Oh my god. What have we stumbled upon?
A bit of a car show. Just checking out the next camper van and camper trailer that we're going to get.
Because Airlie Beach is my happy place for the Whitsundays. We are about to do the bougiest, most exciting thing ever.
Today is a very special day. We got engaged here in Whitehaven Beach 4 years ago.
Yep.
Roughly, something like that.
Yep.
And we have booked a helicopter flight, which is going to be pretty amazing. Going over to HEART Reef, going to do some snorkeling, going to have lunch on Whitehaven Beach, and the weather's cleared up, which is awesome. It was raining this morning, but we're very excited, and you get to come along for the ride. Let's go. happened?
We just had our first ever helicopter ride and now we're on the beautiful Whitehaven Beach. That's our helicopter right there. We have the coolest guy, Joey. He laughs. It's good. It's fun. And we went over all the islands. It's so pretty. Ah! I mean, I'm chill. This is like a real
Whatever. No, but seriously, that was amazing. The view was perfect. It was so good. A little bit bumpy, but man, it was
Fun.
awesome. It was so much fun. Now we've got a picnic.
The most special thing about this place is over on this point there is where we got engaged. So Darren proposed to me 4 years ago and I said yes. Now I'm married to him.
I like it.
To you.
And next we're going to go for a little tour of the Great Barrier Reef. I think we're going to go fly over Heart Reef, which is supposed to be beautiful. Then we land on Reef World. We go for a snorkel, see some turtles, some pretty cool fish. No spearfishing, but it's still pretty cool. This is amazing and we're very blessed to be able to experience this. How's that?
So cool!
That was awesome. We just got back and landed back in the marina. That was a fantastic day. Joey, our pilot, you were awesome. And it was so cool. Snorkeled, we swam with turtles and heaps of big fish. All the fish that we can't spearfish, but anyway. But it was so cool.
It was amazing.
Definitely do this if you're here. Worth every penny.